Some network issue, guys. I'm really sorry. Just waiting on Santosh. Yep. Here he is. Let's hope my network treats me better this time. Hi, sorry. Some network issue from my end.
Yeah, but yeah, you're an HD da, so nice.
Now what?
Now you're looking HD, so chill. Perfect.
Yay!
Perfect
Oh,
network.
sir, till
Yeah.
now I wasn't jammed. All of this hard work going to waste.
You are pixelated.
Okay, am I clear now though? Just for the
You're very,
audience?
very clear. Yeah, you're perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Great. So, how were you feeling? Like, did you see the movie with family?
Yeah, family actually. I did. I watched with my entire family and friends, and I was very, very, very happy. They're all very happy, so I'm very happy.
Amazing. Me too. I also watched it with my grandparents, my parents, my whole family in Punjab, Delhi. Everybody watched it, and like they were thoroughly entertained, and they were like so happy and proud of me. And I think that for me was like the biggest achievement. I was like, hey, if my family is happy, I'm happy. How did your family react?
They couldn't stop laughing, man. I mean, I think especially the first half and the second half, all of the comedy tracks. I think they were just. I think all of them had a ball, and I'm, just very very happy. They just had a great time, and that's what matters.
It's amazing. So, do you want to say something to like our followers and like tell them like a big thank you? I want you to go first.
Um,
Like, there are so many people even commenting how much they enjoyed our performances and movies. So, just like a overall thank you, we want to say. So, you can go ahead first.
డార్లింగ్ ఇలాంటి ఒక సెన్సిటివ్ టాపిక్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇప్పటివరకు ఒక టాబు లాంటి టాపిక్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరు మాట్లాడడానికి కానీ ఇప్పటికీ మాట్లాడడానికి ఇబ్బంది పడే టాపిక్ తీసుకుని ఒక సినిమా చేసినప్పుడు ఇది చేస్తున్నాం అని చెప్పినప్పుడు చాలా మంది భయపెట్టేవాళ్ళు చాలా మంది అదే ఎలాగ ఇది అడల్ట్ కంటెంట్ అయిపోతుందేమో కదా ఎలా కుదురుతుంది అసలు చేయకూడదు మళ్ళీ ఇమేజ్ పాడైపోదు ఇమేజ్ రాదు అసలు ఇలాంటివి చెప్పేవాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉంటారు కానీ వాళ్ళందరినీ రాంగ్ గా ప్రూవ్ చేశారు వాట్ యూనో నేను గాంధీభయ యువి క్రియేషన్స్ ఒక మంచి కథని ఇది అందరినీ నవ్విస్తుందనే ఒక మంచి కథని నమ్మి ఒక సినిమా చేసాం మా నమ్మకాన్ని నిజం చేశారు మీరందరూ అండ్ ఈ పాయింట్ లో నాకు నిజంగా నిజంగా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను థ్యాంక్ యూ అనేది ఒక చిన్న అండర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అండి అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మేము ఉన్న సంతోషానికి అసలు మేము చాలా హైలో ఉన్నాం ఇప్పుడు అందరం సో yeah.
Superb. I also just want to say a very big thank you in Amrita style. And I want to tell all my followers and everybody who's been watching the movie a big thank you for showering the entire team of Ek Minne Katha with so much love and support, and for accepting our movie even though it was not like fit to the kind of movie genres we've seen before, but it was so well appreciated and so well accepted in the community. I couldn't have been more grateful and thankful. I also want to take this time to thank my entire team, all the technicians, my director, my producer, my writer, my beautiful co-star Santosh Garu. And I just want to say a big pedda thank you for making our movie a big hit, guys. Thank you so much. And we'll take this time today in our Insta Live to answer as many questions of all of our followers, and to like basically interact with you as personally as we can. And we'll also add 5 people to the live, and yeah, that's about it.
Damn. So we what? We take the questions now or like
No, we'll start with speaking of a few things that we want people to relate with. So I want to know how our relationships as Kavya and Santosh with our parents were. Like if there is something that we face, like Santosh faced in the movie in our adolescent years, if there was something we wanted to speak to our parents or share with our parents, but we couldn't, or why we couldn't, or like any anecdotes from like our childhood, basically,
Anecdotes from my childhood regarding
or
this.
college going days.
No, I don't know. See, again, my mom, my brother, and I, we've lived the longest together. But it's mostly always three of us, and we've been tight knit and dysfunctional in our own way, in a very very interesting way. Just like all
All
families,
families are so
all
dysfunctional.
families are, yeah, and also in a healthy way. And I think,
Yeah, of course.
yeah, I think my mom has always been, a strength for both of us, me and my younger brother. And she's always been somebody who's like, progressive for her time and, progressive in the right way. So I think she never made us feel, you know, uh, even if we had any questions, doubts, or about things that usually are unspeakable of, we weren't really dismissed.
Right.
We were, those questions were addressed in a very mature way. So I'm just very thankful.
Amazing. So, when I think of my adolescent years, the first thing that comes up is definitely regarding to periods. And no matter how progressive, like our moms and grandmoms are, like how modern they want to be, they'll always be like really shy of speaking about like periods and like pads and shit like that. So I remember this one time I was really young. I think I was in my fourth or fifth standard, and a Whisper ad came on TV. So my brother and me, we were both young. I have an elder brother, Abhimanyu. He's 5 years older to me, but we were still quite young. And my grandfather was there, my mom, my brother, and me. And there was a random Whisper ad, and it was about pads and everything, and how it soaks water. So instantly, as a child, I was like, "Mom, what is this? What are they talking about? What is this that they're showing? Where do you put this pad? What?" I constantly started asking these questions, and my mom became red because my grandfather was present there, and she was like, I don't know how to answer these questions." So she just kind of like walked very embarrassedly, but at that moment, but later in private, my mom gave me the complete introduction to periods and explained to me everything, which I'm still thankful for. Because just a month later, I got my periods, and I honestly thought it was periods, but it was actually the fact that I ate beetroots one night before. But it was good to be knowledge at that point and know and not be scared when I actually got my periods, because I knew what was happening with my body and that it wasn't like that there is something wrong with me, because I have had friends in my childhood who basically didn't know what it was before they had it, and they thought they had like some serious problem, and they just didn't go and confront their parents, and they just like sulked within themselves, which was kind of wrong. But at least I was there in their life and I informed them like, guys, chill. So yeah, so I guess that is one thing I can remember of that was like very awkward, and my mom felt unspeakable in front of maybe my grandfather out of respect, which is still understandable. But I was just happy that she could, when in private with me, she could be honest and open up about it.
Absolutely. I think, when it comes to sex education, there are no secrets, you know, and, there's nothing there. There should be no awkward silences. There should be no lulls. I think it's always very, very important, I think, uh, we should be, I suppose, sex education for all ages. And because, the awareness is very, very important. I don't think we should let kids grow up with any sort of insecurity or lack of awareness, especially in this
Exactly.
regard. To how, to all of us should learn, to accept our bodies, like the way we should, celebrate our
Yes.
bodies the way we should, and feel healthy and happy and comfortable in however shape or size we look. you know, it only
I
comes
guess
down to
sorry,
size doesn't matter in any size doesn't matter, man. Damn.
definitely not.
As long as you're comfortable and healthy in your body, how does it matter?
True. I guess more than accepting ourselves and our body, we should stop making people feel awkward or like making people feel like, oh my god, there is something dysfunctional or something not so normal in them at a very young age. Because I think so, I've learned this thing that a child from the age it is born, like from the moment it is born to age 7, learns everything they have to for the rest of their lives. So at least 70 to 80% of how we behave, how we live, how we are, and how we deal with certain situations is because of our conditioning and because of the things we've seen and learned and grown with. I think if we just stop making a child feel like, oh, you know what, being fat is wrong, or being freckled skin is wrong, having freckles is wrong, being a little shorter is wrong. Oh, you know what, you're too short for your age. Oh no, you know what, you're too tall for your age. I think there is no age or a barrier that should be created or a box that children should be put into to begin with, that this is right, this is wrong. And that is where we can like just, I guess, before accepting, we could just tell them, we could not tell them anything and just let them explore themselves, is what
Yep.
I believe. And then they can just simply learn to accept themselves and everything.
Yeah.
Superb.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go on to the next thing. Santosh, I want to know if you had any crushes in your college life, and if you were ever so shy to speak to them because of something, or like ever approach them. Were you ever shy? Or were you like insecure because you felt certain things about yourself or anything?
No, actually, no. So yeah,
Ooh, you were
yeah.
a go at it boy.
No, no, no. I think I don't know. I think I had a great company, and thankful to all the people who've been able to condition me out of my insecurities. Perhaps I've never really had a problem to speak to somebody. I think I'm fairly confident usually.
That's great. Confidence is the key for us. Amazing. So,
Your stuff. Yeah.
I think with me, I don't think I've ever really approached anybody like that in college. Like, I didn't have to.
Show off.
High five. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, like, I mean, if I had to, I don't think I would be like, very shy or any thing of that sort. I'd definitely not be. Santosh, you know me. Great. So, I want to ask you now, what is your best kept secret? A secret which you've held on to for a long time.
See, but it won't be a best kept secret anymore if I let you know what it is.
Yeah, because we don't want it to be a secret anymore. We want it to be known. So you tell us.
Like me, but I'm really trying to think, trying to tell you something interesting. But do you know me? Do you really think I'm somebody who can keep secrets? I
No, you're
can't.
not.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not. I don't really have any secrets. But I can tell you, I think there are a few things I think people won't know a lot about me. That like for example, I was a fine art student. I can paint and all. Like I'm actually pretty good at it. Nobody knows that. I think a lot. So yeah, it's not a
So we
secret,
should
but
expect a painting portrait from you very soon.
no.
I see why it's the best kept secret. Maybe it's a secret that you can't paint, but you say that you can.
Never know.
Have your guesses at it. Maybe, but maybe not. Amazing, amazing. You know how to answer, Mr. Santosh.
Mm.
My politically. How I'm
And
missing the times when we did.
what is your best kept secret, sir?
Right.
What is yours, sir? What is
I
your
guess
best kept
my
secret?
best kept secret would be that I guess nobody knows that I'm an amazing masseuse. Like, I think I'd like to keep it a secret because then afterwards, like, all of my friends and like my family, relatives, and all, they misuse my talent and they shamelessly like approach me for random massage sessions. So, because I have a very hard hand, I'm a very good massage and I can apply the right pressure in the right places and shit. So, I guess that, but definitely I'm letting that secret out. So yeah. And another thing could be that I write poems. I mean, I don't know.
Oh damn, I didn't know about this.
Really? See? It is a
You
good
never
kept
told me about it. Yeah.
secret.
Damn, yeah. You never
Okay, if
told me
you
about
show
it.
me your painting, I'll show you. I'll read out my poems to you. I've been writing some really new ones that I think you'll like.
Will do.
It will be
Post.
like
Right.
a trade, personal trade later.
Done.
Only to have just the two of us judge and not like a 400-500 people around. Okay, great. So yeah, that wraps that up. And I think now we can switch to the comments and we can see what people want to know. Hi guys. Say hi Santi.
Hi guys. Hi everyone.
Hi everybody
Kavya
who
garu
wanted
acting
me to
superb.
wave at them.
Kavya garu acting superb. You should say thank you.
Thank you. Kanivandi Anna Kanivandi. What does that mean?
Darling, పని చూసుకోపోరా.
What did I say something wrong?
No, you didn't. He's just a joke. Yeah.
Acha, okay. So
ఏది?
okay, hi guys, if you all want to ask us some questions, please do regarding the movie. Okay, everybody wants you to say one word about Prabhas Anna because they all know that you are their fellow Prabhas Anna fan. So, I mean, we all are nationwide,
Yeah.
but like
Yeah.
you really need to speak about
Yeah.
him. So go ahead, speak a little bit about Prabhas sir.
I think he's a king, man. ప్రభాస్ అన్న ఒక వర్డ్ లో డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయాలంటే ఐ థింక్ ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దట్ కమ్స్ టు మైండ్ ఇస్ కింగ్. అండ్ వాట్ అ మ్యాన్, వాట్ అన్ అబ్సల్యూట్. అంటే ఏం చెప్పలేను, నేను కూడా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను విపరీతంగా నేను కూడా అప్డేట్ కోసం వెయిటింగ్. దాని తర్వాత ఐ జస్ట్ చాలా రోజులు అయిపోయింది అన్నని బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసి. సో నేను కూడా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఈ పాండమిక్ సబ్సైడ్ అయిన తర్వాత కానీ లాక్డౌన్ రెస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ తగ్గిన తర్వాత కానీ ఎప్పుడైనా కుదిరితే ప్రభాస్ అన్నకి ఏమన్నా ఫ్రీ టైం ఉంటే ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు సే హాయ్ యాజ్ అ ఫ్యాన్. ఆ యాక్సెస్ నాకు ఉంటే డెఫినెట్ గా వెళ్ళి హాయ్ చెప్పాలని ఉంది. అండ్ అలాగే సీక్రెట్ గా అప్డేట్ కూడా అడిగేసి వచ్చేయాలి ఉంది. సో బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ యాక్టర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్. He's one of the like మళ్ళీ everybody says it's man in the world. I think there's nobody like him. There's a lot from him.
Great. And just one more question I have regarding that. Santosh Anna, one update for Radhesh.
You're stuck.
Please, one update. Hello.
డార్లింగ్ నాకు నిజంగా తెలియదు డార్లింగ్. నాకు తెలిస్తే ప్రామిస్ నేనే లీక్ చేస్తానేమో బై మిస్టేక్. నిజంగా నాకు నేను కూడా అందరి లాగే ఫ్యాన్ గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ డెఫినెట్ నాకున్న యాక్సెస్ కి ఏమన్నా అడగాలి నాకు ఉంటది. బట్ ఐ థింక్ బేసికలీ యూవి క్రియేషన్స్ డస్ దేర్ బెస్ట్ అండ్ గివ్స్ దేర్ బెస్ట్. ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ వాళ్ళది బయటకు రావాలంటే ఒక ఫుల్ క్వాలిటీతో రావాలి. ఏంటి మా సినిమాకి ఇంత టైం తీసుకుని దేర్ వాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ quality check that happens, you know. And ఇప్పుడు ప్రభాస్ అన్న అప్డేట్ రావాలంటే ఆ క్వాలిటీ తోటి ఆ రేంజ్ తోటి రావాలి. అది ఎక్కడ ఫ్యాన్స్ డిసప్పాయింట్ అవ్వకుండానే యూవి క్రియేషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు చూసుకుంటారు. అండ్ దట్స్ ది ఓన్లీ రీజన్ ఐ థింక్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రభాస్ అన్న సినిమా అంటే ఒక రేంజ్ ఉంటది, యూనో యూనో ఆ రేంజ్ తగ్గట్టు అప్డేట్లతో సహా అన్ని ఆ రేంజ్ లో ఉండాలి. అండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ఇట్. అండ్ నేను కంప్లీట్ గా నమ్ముతుందంటే once he's going to come, it's all going to be settled, and we all will be happy as fans. మనం చాలా సంతోషంగా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటాండి, కాల్ రెగ్యులేసుకుంటుండాలి. నా ప్రామిస్.
Please sir, please promise, we need your word on it. Okay, somebody said how did you feel when you first read the script?
I laughed out loud when I was reading the script. I absolutely had, I think Karthik, Sudarshan Bhai and I read it together, actually, just for a reading. I actually read it before, but I still remember reading with Sudarshan. Sudarshan Bhai to Chandru, I can still remember. Sudarshan Bhai ne chadinappudu we kept on laughing. We absolutely had a ball, you know. And I think today I just knew somehow it was my instinct or something. Every time we thought, you know, even both of us, every time we thought, you know, they're going to laugh here, they laughed, and it was just very kind and extremely, it was really humbling that everybody's enjoying the film today.
Okay, so another person just asked me something in relation to that, saying, Kavs, what did you think when you listened to this bold script? And I thought that it was amazing, and it was very out of the box and something which was never attempted before. And everybody is also reviewing how this has never been attempted in any industry before, and that is something which I could bring to the film fraternity with this movie, and be just by being a part of it. So the minute I heard this movie, I did not care that, you know, it had a little bold concept, because I trusted that the way the script was written by Gandhi sir, it was so well thought, so balanced and so clean and healthy, because I believe there is a thin line between something being sensual and something being vulgar, like a bold topic and a vulgar topic. To execute it is also a different thing, which is what Karthik did so successfully. And I just think that we are so lucky that we had this team of such balanced artists that we could bring about this in a healthy manner for everybody. And that is obviously the cherry on the cake. But when I did listen to the script, I was all like, yes, I'm in, count me in, I must sign this and send the contract, we're done. So that's how I felt. Okay, what about Merlapaka Gandhi? So Santosh, please speak about Merlapaka Gandhi, sir.
Gandhi, see, Gandhi Bhaiya, what can I say, man? I think today, he's, you know, he's one of the people I'm extremely, grateful for. You know, I think I truly have to say this. దీనికి ముందు డార్లింగ్, నా సినిమాలు ఏం పెద్ద హిట్ అయిన సినిమాలు ఏమీ లేవు. బోల్డ్ అంత సక్సెస్ కూడా నా వెనకాల లేదు. కానీ యువి క్రియేషన్స్ కానీ, వంశన్న విక్కీ అన్న కానీ, మెర్లపాక్ గాంధీ గారు కానీ, ఎస్పెషలీ మెర్లపాక్ గాంధీ గారు, యూనో ఒక కథ అనుకొని నేను పేపర్ బాయ్ అని ఒక సినిమా చూసి, యూనో నాకు కట్ చెప్పి నన్ను రమ్మని చెప్పి నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇవ్వడం అనేది, ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ వెరీ వెరీ గ్రేట్ఫుల్.
Great. I want to say about Gandhi sir that I think he's a very, very balanced writer. He knows his craft, he knows his strength, and he's so hilarious as a person. And everybody's thoroughly appreciated the dialogues, and that is what Merlapaka sir can bring to the table. And not only that, but he's also guided both Santosh and I on every twist and turn of the movie. He was always there for us, always supporting. And because I am not from the from Hyderabad or from South, I obviously have like a Telugu barrier, but sir always allowed me that time and space to do my acting properly, do my work and perform well. So big thank you Merlapaka sir for that. And yes, let's
Just give
head
me
on
one
to
second. 'Cause, I'm going to be right back. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to be right back. 1 second.
Sure.
Just give me 1 second. I'm going to be right back. 1 second. 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 1 second.
Hi guys. We'll have Santosh joining us in. Thank you everybody who is sending us so much love on the comment section, and for everybody who's been saying that the movie was amazing. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'm really trying to repost all your stories on my stories. And if I couldn't get you on my story, I apologize for that. I'm really trying my best. My Instagram is crashing, but I'm trying. uh Everybody's talking about the climax, like how much they like the climax.
I can't. Yeah, I think we both. You remember when we were doing it, we really believed in the climax. You know, it was one of the most. Even Karthik, all of us. You know, Gandhi.
Definitely.
When he wrote it, I'm sure it's one of the most beautiful climaxes I think ever written on Telugu screen. It's such a because see, to begin with, to talk about small penis syndrome only in mainstream Telugu cinema, you know, could have been considered. Oh my God, how could they? How can they do this? You know, will our audience accept it or not? And just yelling out the word. Just owning up to oneself and realizing all that matters in this life is just love and just being accepted by your loved ones and accepting them and accepting ourselves.
Exactly.
That's what matters.
Right.
And it's
That's
a
true.
beautiful climax for a film so funny. I think it's a climax that makes you think and not laugh.
Right. It brings that emotional factor to the movie, the emotional
Yeah.
edge.
Yeah.
That's cute. Even I think that climax was really important for us because that's where he finally breaks that wall of 20 years where he's been thinking, he's been living in this bubble. He finally walks out of that bubble. That all this time he was embarrassed, he was ashamed, he couldn't speak loudly, even to a friend or a doctor. Every time he had to say the problem, there was music behind, right? That's obviously because he's so uncomfortable about it. But then in the end, he just takes the microphone and shouts it out, and there are gazillion people around him, his entire in-laws, his own family, his father, everybody's there, and he just didn't care. He was like, I don't care anymore. And like, he just had that epiphany in that moment that I have been living a lie. You know how sometimes we see all these things and we're like, oh my God, is this what it is? Like for me, a very basic example was like all my life I thought poems were called poems, but they're not. They're called poems, and you're just like, oh my God, really? So and he just like has that epiphany that fuck, like really, this is what I've been living my life like for what? Like how much you beat yourself about it. Like whatever this, it could be the silliest things or the biggest things in your life, but we beat ourselves so much for it. But वो बोलते हैं ना, डर के आगे जीत है. So that is, I think, what in the end I felt. I was like, yes, Santosh, go
Uh,
Hello, can you hear me?
I'm just
But
reading. I can yeah. I'm just seeing
okay.
more and more comments. Oh,
Okay, so there is
when you
another
listeners should.
question, Santosh, for you. That somebody's asked you that how do you feel that the movie is out on OTT and it's not a theater release because of COVID?
Yeah, I feel actually quite uh, happy because this is not the right time for theaters to be open, and it's not the right time for all of us to go and watch together. It's a beautiful experience. థియేటర్లో అందరం కలిసి సినిమా చూడడం అనే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అద్భుతమైన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉన్న పరిస్థితుల్లో మనం ఇప్పుడు అందరం కలిసి థియేటర్లో చూడడం అంత సేఫ్ కాదు డార్లింగ్. అండ్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ అబౌట్ అవర్ సెల్వ్స్ అండ్ ఎదుటి వాళ్ళ గురించి కూడా మనం రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ గా ఉండాలి. కానీ ఇలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ లో కూడా అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ వీడియో వాళ్ళు మా సినిమాని దాచిపెట్టుకోకుండా మీ దగ్గరికి, మీ ఇంటికి, మీ సెల్ ఫోన్స్ కి, మీ టీవీలకి తీసుకొచ్చే అవకాశం అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ వాళ్ళు మాకు ఇచ్చారు. దిస్ టైమ్ వీ గాట్ ది ఆపర్చునిటీ టు take the film to everybody's house, to everybody's, now we've taken the access to over 240 countries, ఒక రెండు అంటే సో ప్రస్తుతానికి అందరం సేఫ్ గా ఉండి ఈరోజు సినిమా ఇలా చూడడం అనేది నిజంగా మనందరి అదృష్టం. ఐ థింక్ మా అందరి అదృష్టం ఈ సినిమా మీ దగ్గర తీసుకురావడం అనేది.
Amazing. Somebody just said, ma'am, how did you feel while doing this film? I felt amazing to be a part of such an amazing production house, to be part of such an amazing team, and to be part of such a strong content oriented movie. So I think I just felt truly blessed. And honestly, I got this movie, I was narrated during my birthday, and I genuinely call it like a birthday gift from God. So yeah, that's how I feel about it. Exceptional performance, brother.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. What do you...
Oh wow, somebody also sent us a question saying that thank you Santosh Anna, the climax sorry, the climax scene really made us cry.
Oh wow.
I'm getting these questions separately because I put a question bar, no? So I'm also reading from there. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to mention. Your working experience with Shraddha Das, ma'am. I think Shraddha is very humble and so beautiful on and off screen, guys. But there wasn't a moment where Shraddha and I shared the screen and we didn't really exchange dialogues. So, but I saw her acting in the movie, and I think she was flawless and she's very talented. And I'm very grateful that she was a part of one of the primary characters in our movie. But yeah, I think she's a lovely person.
Yeah.
Hello.
Dare. Hello. Voice is breaking. You're stuck again. Super movie, Anna. Darling, thank you, darling.
Yeah. Am I okay now?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah, you're perfect.
Okay, Santosh, let's add somebody on a live. We'll just choose 5 people who've requested us, and we'll add them into our live and just have like a minute or 2 conversation with them. Cool? Okay. Let's see. Hi guys, you can send in your requests to be a part of our live. Just waiting. Hi. Hi, please introduce yourself. Oh, Pujita has left. Oh no. Okay, we're adding somebody else. Meanwhile, oh, even Santosh has left, guys. Now it's only me. Wait, we'll add. Hello? Oh, damn it. I think. So sorry, guys. There's a little bit of issue. There is a little bit of issue with my connection, I think. So I'm very sorry. I'm not able to. It keeps going on and off, and I'm so glad that you all are very patient. And sorry, I'm also receiving calls in the middle, so it kind of like pauses. So sorry, guys. I'm sorry for that. Let's just add Santosh again. And guys, everybody, we are adding you. Sorry, Santosh, I think there was some connection issue, maybe.
Yeah. So
Okay. So we are adding somebody. Let's hope they actually get added. Please send in your requests, guys. Adding now. Tollywood Ayushman Kurana. Santosh Shobhan, congrats, bro.
thank you.
Hi. Guys,
Hi,
we
madam.
can see you.
Hi brother.
Hi.
హాయ్ బ్రదర్.
Hi darling, how are you?
ఇప్పుడే చూసినా సార్. ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్ సార్.
సినిమా చూసినా?
చాలా బాగుంది సార్. ప్రతి సినిమా చూస్తా, పేపర్ బాయ్ చూసిన, ఇది చూసిన, మేడం యాక్టింగ్ ఇలా తీసింది, డాన్స్ తీరే తీసింది సార్.
అవునా? సూపర్. అందరూ ఎంజాయ్ చేసిర్రా మరి సినిమా?
ఎంజాయ్ అసలు ట్విస్ట్ అదిరిపోయింది సార్ లాస్ట్ కి.
థ్యాంక్స్ కాకా. మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేసిర్రు కదా?
మేడం యాక్టింగ్ చాలా బాగా చేశారు మేడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సూపర్.
అందరం ఇంకా అదే మాట.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాయ్స్ అయితే నవ్వుకుంటున్నాం అనుకోని, అమ్మాయిలు అయితే చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు మూవీ మాత్రం. గర్ల్స్ అయితే
సూపర్. వాళ్ళని కూడా హాయ్ చెప్పమను. హాయ్ 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 హాయ్
హాయ్ గర్ల్స్.
హాయ్ హలో, హౌ ఆర్ యు? హాయ్ హాయ్ హాయ్
మీ
హాయ్.
పేరు?
శివాని.
శివాని. హాయ్ శివాని.
హాయ్ శివాని.
హాయ్ సార్.
I'm very good. How are you?
మీ పేపర్ ఏమో అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
అమ్మా థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అమ్మా.
సూపర్ ఉంటది మూవీ, నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం అది.
అరే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇప్పుడు 2 సినిమాలు అమెజాన్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి. ఎట్లైనా
హాయ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. హాయ్ హలో.
అందరం కలిసి ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చూస్తున్నాం సార్ మూవీ.
కాకా
ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చూస్తున్నాం, ఇంట్లో మూవీ.
అరే సూపర్ కాకా. ఇప్పుడు సిచ్యువేషన్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంది. అందరం ఇంట్లోనే కూర్చొని చూడాలి, ఇంట్లోనే కూర్చొని సేఫ్ ఉండాలి.
Okay guys, have fun, keep safe everybody. Thank you for joining our live and watching our movie.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. బాయ్ బాయ్. కిస్ మీ, హగ్ మీ.
బాయ్ సార్. బాయ్. అయ్యో. Yes, I got it.
Guys, can you please guys disconnect.
హాయ్ అన్న.
హాయ్ బ్రదర్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
Hello.
హాయ్ మేడం, బాగున్నారా?
చాలా బాగుంది. సంతోష్, can
మూవీ
you
బాగుందన్న.
disconnect?
డార్లింగ్ మూవీ బాగుంది.
హీరోయిన్ మాకు
అరే ఎందుకలా
కట్ ది అదర్ వీడియో.
I don't know. I'm not understanding how to do so. Can you just ask him to do?
What's his name? అయ్యో. సరే ఒక సెకండ్.
Bye. You all can
బై
start.
బై.
తీసేయాలా మేమే తీసేయాలా?
అవును కాకా.
సారీ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. బై డార్లింగ్.
Sorry.
తను మాట్లాడాలి కదా అందుకే.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Ayyo, bye. Hello.
సారీ డార్లింగ్.
అన్న
హాయ్
సినిమా
బ్రదర్.
సూపర్ ఉందన్న. 2 times చూసాం.
అరే సూపర్ డార్లింగ్. అప్పుడే 2 టైమ్స్ చూసా. వెరీ హ్యాపీ డార్లింగ్. మీరు ఎంజాయ్
ఆల్రెడీ అమెజాన్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ మీ మూవీ కోసమే అమెజాన్ తీసుకున్నమాట.
ఓకే.
యూబీ క్రియేషన్స్ వాళ్ళు కూడా బాగా సినిమా బాగుంటాయని చెప్పి రామ్ చరణ్ గారు ట్వీట్ చేశారు.
అవునవును.
Yes.
చరణ్ కూడా ట్వీట్ చేశారు. ఎస్ వండర్ఫుల్.
అందులో మళ్ళీ మీకు మీ సినిమాలో పేపర్ బాయ్ మూవీ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ భయ్యా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ భయ్యా.
మేడం మీరు యాక్టింగ్ బాగా చేశారండి, డాన్స్ బాగా చేశారు.
Thank you so
Padipo.
much. Thank you so much, Baya. Thank you.
పడిపోతున్న పాటగా అయితే హైలైట్ అసలు. అదే థియేటర్ లో అయితే విజిల్ మాత్రం గట్టిగా పడి.
అరే
I know.
సూపర్ డార్లింగ్.
Super.
మీరు కామెడీ టైమింగ్ అసలు సూపర్. అసలు కామెడీ అయితే ఎరగ చేశారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ డార్లింగ్.
అసలు
Thank you.
లైవ్ తీసుకుంటాను అనుకోలేదు. మంచి ఫీల్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట బాగా.
అదే థ్యాంక్ యూ డార్లింగ్. చిచి నువ్వు లైవ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపినందుకు ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు హ్యావ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank
మేము అన్ని
you.
చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు మళ్ళీ మంచి మంచి సినిమా తీయాలని
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ డార్లింగ్.
ఇలాగే
Thank you.
మీకు మా సపోర్ట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటది. మీరు ప్రతి సినిమా ఇలా సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తి కోరుకుంటున్నాం మేడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ డార్లింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నిజంగా ఇంత మాట్లాడ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ
మేడం మీకు ఇదే కదా ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు మూవీ?
Sorry.
అదే మేడం కి ఇదే కదా ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు మూవీ?
Can you like
సెకండ్ తెలుగు మూవీ తనకి.
second?
సెకండ్. కానీ ఈ మూవీలో మాత్రం హైలైట్.
It was my first movie.
ఓ విజయ్ అని చెప్పి ఆయన సార్ ఆ సినిమా కంటే ఈ సినిమాలో బాగా క్లిక్ అయ్యారు.
అవునా? సూపర్.
అసలు మ్యూజిక్ లో ఈ మూవీతో బాగా క్లిక్ అయ్యారు. మంచి మంచి అవకాశాలు బాగా వస్తాయి మీకు.
Ayo, thank you so much.
ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది. మీరు ఎలా ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ మాట గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అంటే మీరైతే మాత్రం ఎరగదీశారు. ఇద్దరు ఎక్సలెంట్. మళ్ళీ
Thank you so much.
చూస్తాం మొత్తం. మా మమ్మీ అందరు చూసారు. అందరు కలిపి చూసాం మూవీ.
అరే సూపర్.
Super.
అందుకే ట్యాగ్ కూడా చేసిన మీకు ఇన్స్టాలో.
ఓకే డార్లింగ్.
ఓకే అన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. సో హ్యాపీ అన్న.
Thank
ఒక
you
సెల్ఫీ
so much.
ఒక సెల్ఫీలో తీసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ అన్న.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Bye.
ఓకే బాయ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. బై.
Okay, I'll just add somebody else.
Did you figure out how to?
No, I couldn't figure. Somebody said I must go back and do something and delete, but then I don't know how did they do it.
But it was so nice, man. Like very very. That was very.
Yeah,
very
such
I didn't even
sweet
want to cut the call.
remarks. And he saw it with his mom, right?
Yeah, it was very very nice. It's only goes to say that it's nice that everybody's lapping up the film today.
Yes, I'm so happy.
So bloody happy, man. I'm just the fact that
Thank you, Deva.
in these difficult times. Hello. Hi, Amma.
The girl fell.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Amma. Hi. What's your name?
Naru.
హాయ్ మేడం. అరే
Hi. చూసారా సినిమా చూసారా?
హాయ్ మేడం సార్.
Hi. What's your name?
They are getting so shy.
మాట్లాడు.
Hi.
మీ మూవీ చాలా బాగుంది. పేపర్ పై చాలా బాగుంది.
అరే థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఏక్ మినిట్ కదా చూసావా?
ఏక్ మినీ కదా
చాలా-
చూసావా?
చూడలే, ఇంకా ఎక్కించుకుంటున్నాం ప్రైమ్. నివిలా కృతం అని మా డాడీ ఆల్రెడీ అన్నాడు. చాలా బాగుంది అన్నాడు. డాడీ చూసాడు.
Thank you.
చాలా చాలా
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేమ్? వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ నేమ్స్?
నీ పేరు అండి?
అర్థం కాలేదు.
వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్ మా?
వాయిస్ స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది.
వాయిస్ స్టక్ అవుతుందా? అయ్యో, మీ పేర్లు ఏంటని అడుగుతున్నా.
ఓకే మై నేమ్ ఇస్ సోనా. నైసి.
సోనా.
కళ్యాణి.
హాయ్.
Hi. So beautiful.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. హ్యావ్ అ గ్రేట్ టైమ్. బీ సేఫ్. స్టే హోమ్. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. చలో టేక్ కేర్.
ఓకే బాయ్.
బాయ్ అమ్మా.
One minute, wait. Bye.
Bye.
Please disconnect, girls. Okay, great. That was our third caller, guys. We'll just add 2 more people. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I've sent a request. This is quite sweet, yeah. I wish I could do more. Hi.
Hi,
Hi, darling. How are you? What's your name?
fine sir. My name is Sajid.
హాయ్ సాజిద్, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు డార్లింగ్?
ఏం లేదు సార్, ఇప్పుడే మీ సినిమా చూసా, బాగుంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సాజిద్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.
ఆ, బాగా చేశారు
Did you
యాక్టింగ్
enjoy?
ఇద్దరు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ డార్లింగ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో
హాయ్
మచ్.
What was your favorite
Paper
part
Boy.
of the movie?
మై ఫేవరెట్ పార్ట్ లాస్ట్ సీన్, క్లైమాక్స్.
అదే సూపర్.
Our
నాకు కూడా అదే
favorite also.
చాలా ఇష్టం, నాకు మా అందరి ఫేవరెట్.
గుడ్ మెసేజ్ సార్ సొసైటీకి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ డార్లింగ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ డార్లింగ్.
సినిమా బాగుంది సార్, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ యూ సాజిద్.
యాక్టింగ్ బాగా చేశారు మేడం మీరు కూడా.
Thank you, Babu. Thank you.
ఓకే మేడం, బాయ్.
Okay.
బాయ్ డార్లింగ్, బాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్,
Bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ డార్లింగ్.
Thank
టేక్
you so
కేర్.
much for joining us. Let's add. I just sent another request
Two?
to. I'm just randomly picking. I'm not like. I'm just like. I've got around 50, 60 requests for live, so I'm just randomly going and just clicking. We have somebody joining us. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, hello, how are you?
ఫైన్ అన్న
పేరేంటని?
ఇప్పుడే చూసాను.
నీ పేరేంటని?
పేరు
జగదీష్ అన్న, జగదీష్
ఏంటి రాజేష్?
జగదీష్ జగదీష్
జగదీష్. హాయ్ జగదీష్.
హాయ్ అన్న.
How are you?
ఎంజాయ్ చేసావా? నవ్వేవా?
ఫైన్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు నవ్వుతూనే ఉన్నాను.
అరే సూపర్ డార్లింగ్. చలో
నిజం బాగుంది అన్న.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి డార్లింగ్?
నేనైతే ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి అన్న.
ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి. ఓకే. ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి ఎక్కడ?
ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి రాజమండ్రి సైడ్.
రాజమండ్రి సైడ్. ఓకే. వెరీ నైస్ డార్లింగ్. వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్. బై డార్లింగ్.
Movie.
బై డార్లింగ్. థాంక్యూ.
Hello.
ఓ డార్లింగ్, థాంక్యూ డార్లింగ్.
Okay, bye.
బై.
బాయ్.
That was nice speaking to all of them, you know, that.
This is quite sweet, yeah. I'm gonna add just one last person. Let's see how that.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am very good.
I'm
What's
good.
your name?
I have seen your movie. It was very nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. A different story.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you so
What's
much.
your name, Ma?
What's your name?
My name is Hadia.
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 Hi,
Thank you.
Hadia.
Nice. Hi. I hope you had fun.
I hope we
Yeah.
could entertain you with our movie.
Yeah, it was very nice. Actually,
You're the first. Oh, thank you so much.
now also you're handsome only, but
Thank you
Ayo.
so much.
yeah,
Okay, thank you.
all the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. I'll see you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. She was very sweet.
Great.
Like all of them,
So
you know, it is lovely
sweet.
talking to
Oh
all
my
of them.
god, I
All
want
of
to
them are
add
so
more
sweet,
people,
man.
you know. I want to keep adding
Yeah.
and talking to everybody.
Yeah,
But
but
maybe
it
we'll
is
do this
absolutely
tomorrow
great.
again.
Yes, we will do this again, you know, and we can have more time with all these wonderful Wonderful
Yes.
people. I think just the fact that they're from all these different places and they're watching our film. You know, these are very very difficult times. They're very very. It can be like you said. మన మెంటల్ హెల్త్ మీద ఒక స్ట్రెయిన్ కూడా తీసుకుంటది స్టేయింగ్ హోమ్ అండ్ స్టేయింగ్ సేఫ్. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ థింగ్, but also it takes a toll on our mental health sometimes. And if we could provide a little bit of relief in these times to all of them, it's just absolutely incredible. We feel very grateful.
Definitely. That was our motive, honestly. And that was our main motive, to firstly make them aware of the issue and these things. And secondly, to have like a comic relief for people. And not only in India, but I have gotten requests from all over the world. Like, I've gotten love from Turkey, I've gotten love from UK, US, Canada. So, like, everybody around the world are seeing our movie and thoroughly enjoying it. And I think I define my success, and this is the way I define my success, honestly, that people are thoroughly enjoying and they're getting what we had aimed at, and that is just to relax in such a time and to get a break and also create an awareness at the same time. And we achieved that, so big clap for us
Yeah,
and our whole
extremely
team.
great. Yeah.
And big thanks to UV Creations and Mellapaka Gandhi sir
Always.
and Karthik mainly.
Yeah.
And without you guys, and also all the technicians on the team, and Gokul even, and everybody, all our character artists, without you, this wouldn't have been possible, guys, because of course me and Santosh are the heroine and hero of the movie, but our movie would be nothing without the support and love and hard work of each and every person on the team.
Yeah.
So thank you, guys. I'm gonna be a little emotional, and before I cry, I'm gonna shut this live.
Signing off.
Okay.
Chalo. It's been absolutely great talking to all of you. నిజంగా చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపించింది telling you.
Thank you so much for your wishes. ఒకప్పుడు apparently before we even came into movies, ఒకప్పుడు టీవీ షోస్ వెళ్ళాక కాలర్స్ వస్తే ఫోన్ లో కాల్స్ మాట్లాడేవాళ్ళు డార్లింగ్. I feel it feels very nostalgic. We used to get these calls when you were on television shows. We used to dial up, talk to that person from that movie. It's very nostalgic, adding them onto an Instagram live. It feels good. It's very very nice, and they've been very kind. మీ అందరికి చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ డార్లింగ్. చూడండి, మళ్ళీ సినిమా చూడండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Thank you, guys. Bye, Santosh.
Bye, Kal.
I love you, my friend. एक big katha.
Bye.
Okay, see you. Bye.